A glass of water should be refreshing, but every now and then people report that it doesn't taste as it usually does. They may say it's earthy, musty, or a few other descriptions. If this happens in your home, ask yourself these questions. Is this a sudden change in taste, or have I noticed it over time? And is the unusual taste present all the time, or does it come and go? Do you have a header tank, which feeds the cold water pipes? If you have, then take a look to make sure it's covered. And have you had any plumbing or building work done recently? All these are possible causes in that unusual taste. If the problem persists, call us and we'll advise you what to do.